Chris from Pipe Snug with the new flue snug, 152 cordial, same as the 110 soil stack. Push it in the hole, there's your flue, from the inside. Beautiful. Obviously don't forget the condensate pipes. Same again, 52mm cordial bit. See if I can get this off, it's that snug. 52 cordial, that'll fit your 32 and your 40. Push it in the hole, little bit of lube. There you go, full boiler installation, no pointing.
What we tried to do is set up a load of products to make condensate protection as simple and easy. So all the stuff will allow you to do a condensate installation within 20 minutes, maximum 30 if it's a soil stack. So Andy, we've got what we got?
Connection kit.
Connection kit, which
So
comes with
got pipe snug on the end of there. You can cut this down to whatever length you want. Drill your hole for your pipe snug to fit on like that. It's already bonded and sealed on the corner, so it's a 90-degree bend. You get a standard 50mm clip. You get your bond and seal so you can glue things together. We've also got this, which is a spacer, so you can cut it down to whatever length you want to try and keep it away from the wall. We also do a box of these. These are all waterproof. They come in 1 metre length, there's 3 in a box. So that's healthy. So you can put that standard 32mm pipe. So you can take 32mm right through your wall, or you can cut it down. You can put a reducer in there to 21.5 and take that through your wall. On the end of there, you can put a socket on and extend that standard 32, like I said. And you can put that on. As you push it together, you've got your bond and seal that will make that nice. If you want to connect into a soil pipe, you've got a termination kit. It comes like that, it's already pre-lagged. Take it apart, glue it to whatever angle you want. And that can go straight into your soil pipe. Or if you're coming down a wall and you want to go into a gully or a grate that's away from the wall, you can do that to it. The other good bits are, if you want to upgrade from this to this.
Yep. So you're upgrading the hole to 52mm. It's a pain in the bum to try and core through and get that central. What we've made is a drift kit. So the drift kit comes 21.5, 32 and 40, so you've got everything. And it makes it simple to retrofit your hole straight away. You've done it in seconds, so it's easy to do. Then you can do that. Also what we've done is we've made a grinder head. So if you've got irregular stone walls and things you need to make a flat surface on, grinder head straight into there, flattens it up, and then that allows you then to put the pipe snug straight in, so it's perfect. So we've got all the products to make condensate protection simple and easy, but look professional.
Also a maintenance coat. If you go back in 2 or 3 years' time and you think it needs a little bit of a coat of paint, you can use that, like I said, just a maintenance coat. So I've fitted 2 of these. I'm a plumber, I've been doing it 40 years. I've fitted 2 of these already. I fitted one onto a martial art wall where I had to use that grinder head. And it took me 20 minutes to do. So if you're outside in the rain, 20 minutes literally done. Into the manufacturing instructions, cracking bit of kit.
So, quick introduction for those that you don't know me. I'm Brendan from Circuflow Underfloor Heating. We're here today at the PlumbExpo exhibition at the Alexandra Palace. We're talking about Circuflow Pro Underfloor Heating. We have 6 different systems, all using 12mm pipe at 133mm centres. Simplifies, straightforward underfloor heating. The other thing we do slightly differently within our concepts is we don't supply central manifolds as standard. We supply what we call a minifold Now, this would be supplied by a central pump and mixing valve with 22mm flow and return pipework. You locate multiple numbers of these around the property, minimising the congestion of pipework in the floor. But given some feedback we've had recently, what we've now started doing is, as standard with our manifolds, we now supply a double backplate bracket as well as swivel adapters that will enable you to connect the pump and mixing valve directly to the manifold and connect up to 2 manifolds together in series for a more traditional install. For more information, contact sales@circuflowpro.co.uk. Alternatively, look us up on Twitter, Instagram or Facebook.
Okay, so I'm Ali, I work for Williams & Co. We're a trade plumbing and heating merchant. We deal with the trade only. We're from Portsmouth. We've just launched a new service which is called Tool Angel. So here it is, and it's a service that if you have had your tools nicked and you're our customer, you can just give us a ring and give us your prime number and we will send you out ASAP a kit which is an Armour Guard toolbox filled with Makita tools and a K gas analyzer. It's worth about £2,300. We send it out to you absolutely for free. You can have that for 2 weeks to use for free. At the end of 2 weeks you can then purchase it for 1 year's interest-free credit at a reduced price, or you can just send it back to us. Also for free, we'll come and get it. So it gives you the chance, when you've been hit by tool theft, to get back on your feet instead of spending the next couple of weeks just trying to get the money together to get some new tools. Gives you a bit of breathing space.
And have you had many installers taking you up on it so far?
We've actually sent out 2 already, so it's only been launched a couple of weeks and we've already had to send out 2. One went out within about 24 hours, I think. So that was a guy who said if he hadn't had access to the Tool Angel, then that would have been it. He'd only been in business for 5 months, and if he hadn't had the ability to borrow those tools, that would be the end of business.
Hi, it's Rob from Danfoss, just talking you through the new product line that we have for heating controls. So we've got the room thermostats, we've got the RET 1000M, which is a mains thermostat, and it just goes up and down on the dial. It has a green LED for when it's at the right temperature and a red for when it's cooling for temperature. We've got the RET 2001, which comes with a battery, mains, open firm and radio frequency. It is exactly the same as the RET 1001, just a digital version, and it comes with a backlight and it has a little flame symbol for when it's cooling for heat. So these are all the same. And then, so if we move on to the timers, we have the single channel TS710, which does your central heating. We also have the 2-channel FP720, which does your central heating and your hot water. Alternatively, it can do 2 central heating zones, so it can be central heating 1 and central heating 2. We then have the Programmable Room Thermostat, the TP5001. It's replacing the TP5000. You've got the battery model, the mains model and the radio frequency model. And very simply, to program it, you hold it down for 5 seconds, the backlight comes on, it's 5 and 2 day scheduling, you okay what times you want, the temperature you want, you go through all of the heating periods, there's 3 heating periods, go to the Saturday and Sunday, and then it's all set up after that and ready to use.